Hello, I'm happy you are here. My name is Tesfaye. I'm just going to introduce you to Oromo alphabet. We call Qubee Afaan Oromo. This program is for kids, but if you really don't know Afaan Oromo and the Afaan Oromo Qubee alphabet, you or anybody is welcome to learn. So Oromo is the great nation in the Horn of Africa, especially in Ethiopia. We, the Oromos, constitute about 40 to 50% of the country's population. About 40 million Oromo live in Ethiopia. Some in Kenya and widespread in the Horn of Africa. And it is a privilege and a beneficial to learn this great people's language. So, as you can see, some of the words, the letters here, I'm going to introduce you to and encourage you to learn Qubee Afaan Oromo. So these are the letters. Okay, the letters. Here are the letters. The letters are very similar to the Latin letters, but the way we call them are different, and some of the sounds are completely different from what we know. And there they are. They into up to Z, or we call it Da. We're gonna go introduce you to that. In addition to this, we have additional sounds are called combined sounds, and we will see them one by one together. So let's go. This is A, but we say A or A. As you can see, A or A. Adu for son. Adu. Adu. Ba. We don't call B. We say ba. Ba or ba. Bala. Ba or ba. You can call ba or ba. Usually the ba is what we call. Ba, cha, that's what we call. So we're gonna come to that. Cha or cha. Chuchi. Cha. Da or da. Dalla. Dalla. This is E in English, but we call it E or Ege. That's for tail. Ege. Fa or fa. Farda. Ga. Gafa. Some people call Gamfa. Gafa. Ha or ha. Harre. Ha. Harre. This is I in English, but we call it E or E. Ija. Ija. Ja or ja. Or ja. Jilba. Ka or ka. kuma, kuma, thousand. This here we have 1,000. We call it kuma tokko. If you have seen the numbers in Afaan Oromo, you can learn more about numbers. Ka, kuma, thousands. La or la, lama, ma or ma, mana. There is a reason why we call ma or ma. As you can see, this one is ma, short ma. If you continue watching the other video learning Afaan Oromo, you will learn how to read Oromo language. Ma, that's ma. Ma, we will come to that. We'll see in another word that you can find that ma. But for the letter we call ma, mana, na. Here na, we used nacha, the na. We call this is short na, this is long na. So nacha, O is the same in Oromo as well. O or O. Oda, that is O. We use the short O. Oda. Papaya. We used both pas here. Pa, the first short. Pa, the second long. Papaya. Ra, reti. Ra, reti. Sa or sa, sare. I'm sure you are getting how to read. Ta, torba. Here I'm specifically referring to the alphabet, not the sound. So don't be confused. That is to. When we read to, because it is followed by o. Torba. That's why we are just referring to the letters, not the sound. We come to the sound, okay? That's you, but we say u, not you. U is for y. U or u. Urji for star. Urji. Urji. Va or va. We don't have va sound in Oromo. We know va sound in the word that's written in va. But if you want to write a foreign language like velo, Vaseline, very good, and so on. In Oromo language, we use va as it is. Velo, for example, we write like that. Va, velo. Wati. We use actually the long one. Wati. That's why we call cups Wati. Jabbi, we also call them Jabbi, but Wati is also the name. This is another difference. We come to what different sounds we have. This is X, but that's not X in Oromo. It is ta. You may be having difficulties in calling this ta. if you didn't grow up in Oromo speaking area, or some of the people who have that language in, but I'm sure it is not in English language. Ta, ta, or ta, two-way. It is not two-way, okay? It is a two-way. Practice again and again. Two-way. Ta, ta, ta. Ya, ya, ye, ye. And the last one, za. It is Z, but we don't have that. If you want to add Z, we have to write a word. Z is a word, not a sound. It is za sound. Za, zero, zero, zero. So if we go to the letters one by the sounds one by one, this is what we have learned. A, ba, cha, da, e, fa, ga, ha, I, ja, ka, la, ma, na, o, pa, ka, ra, sa, ta, u, va, wa, ta, ya, za. If you know English, the only difference we're seeing here is one, the way we call them, abachada, efagaha, and so on. In Oromo, consonants do not have sound unless they are followed by a vowel. Like ba, it is really technically impossible to read ba unless it is followed by one of the consonants, a, e, or u. The consonants, all of them, the vowels, all of them have sound. A, e, u, e, o. They have all sound. We call them those who help to read or to talk. Call them dubbachiftu. That makes to have a sound, to get a sound. But the consonants, we call them dubbifama, that to be read, they don't have sound. But here, only for teaching purpose, we give them sound like ba, da, fa, ga, ha, and so on. Only to let them read, to learn for teaching purposes. So that's one, the way we call them. The second one is that some of them have a different sounds. Look at here. This is not a, but that is a. This is a. This is not e, but this is a. This is not I, but it is e. If you carefully listen or follow up them, you will get them that the right way to call. Like here, ba, bala. So because of this a, that has a ba sound. Because of this a, that have the la sound. La, bala. So there are sounds that are different. So this is not C, but it is cha. This is not C like we know in English. It is cha. C is the sound S is for S. So that what this is now changed to ch sound, cha sound. Maybe difficult to say it, but cha. It is not cha, but it is cha. This is obviously the same, but is similar to what we know in English, but this is G, but that is not G for us. This is a ga sound. That is G. That's G, J, ja. This is ga, gafa. That's another different naming. And here we have ka, not Q. Q is a word. To write Q, we can write Q, and W is also in there. So this is ka sound, ka sound. Maybe this similar, hard like the one we saw before, like ch. So this is ka sound, different from English. This is not U, but it is U. We have that represent ya sound, U sound when added, U is added to it. But this is U, not U, U. And here we have a different sound. It is not X. X is a word itself, X. Lots of sounds in it. But this is rather in Oromo it is ta. Go to the previous lesson, that we have how to use this word. This is ta, and this these are the differences. But in addition to this, we have these words. Most of them are also in English. We call it this cha. Church, for example, it's the same sound, church. Change and so on. Dache. This is specifically to Oromo language. You may never hear that any other language. I don't know anywhere. But amsa, ebu, e. Try to say it. That is nya, nyata, nyadu, nya. That is pa. If you want to write Petros, that is not English. It's not Oromo sound. Sha is the same as shape, share, and so on in English. Sha is still the same. Tsa, and the ja. These are also not from English. Some people have different spelling, but this is what I know. Tsa, for example, you want to say tsahai, which means in another language a sun. Ja, jantala, for example, if you want to say jantala in another word, it means an umbrella, like that. So these are additional Oromo alphabet, or Qubee Afaan Oromo. Follow, watching again and again, and practice, and then you'll be ready to go to use Qubee Afaan Oromo. Thank you for watching. Bye now. Have a nice